Hello, today I wanted to go over the basics of loft in SolidWorks. So how it goes is you need two planes and perpendicular to each other, and you need to loft in between the two profiles. So here we'll just start on the front plane and I'll sketch on that. And I'll just put a circle. I won't dimension anything again, just for speed's sake. And say okay, accept that. And then we'll grab another plane. Okay, sketch on that. Okay. So we're going to loft in between these two profiles. So I select loft, but you can get to it in insert, loft, and just select one, select the other, and then you have your loft. And sometimes when it's a square or something, these don't line up, so you could just drag these green points and line it up. And you can also cap the ends or close the loft. Actually, it doesn't work on this one, but that's a feature. So that's one loft, and I'll show you another. Well, actually, I'll show you the. Let's not accept that. I'll show you how to use guide curves with this loft. So I'm going to sketch on this plane, which is perpendicular to these two profiles. And the way a guide curve works, oops, is you take two profiles, and the way I do it, I went through this on another tutorial, but I always stay away from the actual profile, and then I just give it a Pierce relationship by selecting the end and then selecting the profile, and then give it a Pierce relationship. Same thing here, Pierce relationship. And just like that. I'm going to mirror this over. Oops. I'm going to mirror this over. And then when you mirror it over, you have to make sure that it's connected. So we'll give that a Pierce relationship. And give that a Pierce relationship. Oops. Okay, so now that has Pierce relationship on both sides. So now for the guide curves, all you do is get out of the sketch, and then you just select your loft, select your profile, select your other profile, and that's twisted like I said with these green things. You could just untwist it. So that's good there. And now you come here for the guide curves, and you select one and select the other, and that's it. That's your guide curves. And you could could have put two more here just to make it more of the shape that I want. So that's loft with the guide curves, and I'll just show you one more example of loft that I use a lot too, and it's good to know. So we're going to sketch on this plane. I'm going to sketch a 3-point arc. Any number. Okay, now I'm going to put planes on both ends of this. So I'm going to select my plane. Select that. Select that. Got a plane. Select plane. Select that. Oops. Select that. Select that. And I got a plane there. Okay, so now we'll sketch on this. Just gonna use circles again. Sketch on this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how put a loft off of this. So I select this. Select this. Now I'm going to show you how the centerline parameters work. So this is the center line, and you just for this one to work, all you do is select the center line and it'll follow it. And that's the center line. You could also use guide curves with this. So that's basically it. That's the basics of the loft. Thank you.